The best way to predict the future is to create it, make it, and break it. Hello, friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one stop destination for astrology and numerology. Today, I am going to tell you about September monthly prediction for all 12 zodiac signs. Before moving to prediction, let's see astrological overview of September. On 5th of September, Mars will transit in Virgo and Venus will transit in Libra. On 14th of September, Jupiter will transit in Capricorn. On 16th of September, Sun will transit in Virgo. On 22nd of September, Mercury will transit in Libra. My dear friends, it's time to move on to the monthly prediction, and this prediction is based on sun sign. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Business persons will face challenges in business, but smart strategy will change the situation. Avoid investing in travel, leather, food, hotel, education, industries, especially after second week of September. Maintain a good relationship with your business partner and trust them. Students will get success in examination because of your intelligent mind. You will develop interest in new work. Love and affection will rise with your partner. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase and you can go on pilgrimage. You will become a role model for your friends because of your achievement. Dear friends, now let's move to bull, that is Taurus. Your brain will be working towards making plans for savings, income, and investments. Previous investments, LIC and mutual fund, share market will milk good money in the month end. People in the administrative sector may face some challenges after 13th of September. After 6th of September, students will be happy as they will score well in entrance exam. Your job may require traveling. You will be interested in spirituality and will also go on many religious trips. Your marital life will be very good. Take special care of health and take your medicines on time. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Your business will be blessed with a big deal resulting in good profit. Because of your positive thinking, you will come in contact with good and high profile people. Engineering or management students can expect good results. Students studying abroad for higher education are expected to face some issues. Results of government job exams will not be in your favor. You will spend quality time hanging out and having fun with the kids and family members. Long running family disputes will get resolved. You will be healthier and more fit than before, which will make you happy and satisfied. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. September is a helpful month during which good fortune will bless you with good health. Your financial prospects would be extremely encouraging. Some of you would also have a way of handling your workers and subordinates. This could also prove to be boon financially. Further, the climate would remain quite friendly for investment. Those pursuing accountancy, journalism, and other forms of mass communication would also face a rough time. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. Your financial situation seems really good, but some dispute may cause you harm. Starting new business or expanding business. In both the cases, September will be auspicious. Students will get distracted due to lack of concentration. Students are advised to stay focused, especially after 13th of September. If you want to relocate for job from native place, then this decision will become turning point for you. Family or love life becomes more complicated due to your behavior. You may face some health related issues, so take special care of your health. Personal or professional trips is expected, especially after 5th of September. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. Your expenses may increase and financial problems will be there, and you may have to face some difficulties. In mid September, your wise decisions can make you profitable in business. There may be some differences with the business partner, but the matter will be resolved soon. You will be praised for the work done earlier, and your promotion salary will increase as owner. You can search for a new job, or if you are thinking about transfer, then it is good for you. Students' performance in education will be good after 7th of September. If you pay more attention to your studies, then you will definitely get success. You can focus on tourism to stay away from daily complications and mental stress. Opponents can take unfair advantage at the workplace because of your ill health. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. In business, your opponents and enemies may bother you. Be aware of them. For professional growth, you can try to change your job after 12th of September. You will establish your identity at your workplace. Students may face difficulties, but work hard for better results. You will gain intelligence, and with the help of that, you will be able to make the right decisions. Your mental and physical health will be very good. You are expected to travel because of some work. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. You are expected to yield good returns from new investments. This month could also pose issues such as distraction, tension, and depression at workplace. You may have conflicts at workplace. Think, speak, and be calm. You may take time to prove your worth to your boss. Change of job is favorable, especially after 16th of September. Students will be distracted from studies and will be involved in love affairs. Keep a check on their expenses. Married people may indulge in extramarital affairs. Try to change your behavior to avoid any distress. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. There may be sudden new changes at workplace which will be in your favor. The communication skills of the artist will be very strong and you will be able to impress people easily. The time is particularly auspicious for working traders. A favorable situation for business growth will develop especially after 13th of September. This time is suitable for learning a new skill and you will get a lot of success. There will be a possibility of doing some work in the partnership and it will also beneficial. There may be a dispute among the brothers regarding the property partnership. Religious and spiritual thoughts will grow in your mind. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. If you are planning to start a new business, before doing that, you should do complete research work. Those who do business of blogging and web designing will have to work really hard to be successful. Be careful in matter of online transactions. There are chances of loss of money. Students will get full support of parents and teachers, which will be plus point for their success. If you want to carry forward the relation with your love partner and life partner, then this time is better for you. A spiritual program can be organized in the family. You can plan for a romantic trip with your love partner or life partner. Be alert while driving as there are chances of getting injured. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. Business persons associated with the hotel, restaurant, food and beverages, bar owners, or travel agent will surely be able to earn good profit. Be careful about the decisions you make regarding government work. You need to soften your tone with colleagues to avoid differences during the mid-month. Expenses will rise, but a pending task will be done. Unemployed persons are expected to get employed by the job searching websites. From 1st of September to 12th of September, time period good for students pursuing diploma or course of creativity. No serious health issues are likely to happen, and minor ones can be taken care of by medical help. A long trip lies ahead with government officials or boss can be planned. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. There will be an atmosphere of tension and conflict in business due to some minor issues after 17th of September. Your work will increase your honor and new identity. Learners and players will do best in field of talent. For the persons who are in management or investment will be successful after 6th of September. Your family knots might get stronger and you would have a great time in future. You will also receive gifts from your grandparents. Try to avoid long journey on Saturdays. Even if you have to travel, eat curd with sugar before leaving home. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies for betterment in September. Use copper or silver vessels for eating. Keep a bowl full of grains and food for the birds on a daily basis. Married natives are advised to avoid eating jaggery to get appropriate results in their relationships. Wearing a gold ring in your right hand, little finger, will bring auspicious results. Wear yellow sapphire in gold or silver in ring finger. Practice Surya Namaskar, yoga, breathing exercise, or some kind of pranayam. Offer food to old men on Saturday. Dear friends, I hope that this prediction and remedies will become path viewer for September month. At the end, I want to say is do your best, forget the rest. Best of luck for future. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.